Hell yeah.
Welcome to day 3 of unboxing Christmas. At the end of the last video, I said we're gonna switch to position, but not yet, right? If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff. Because this is gonna be a quick one. And while we're here, we're just gonna get it. So here we have a nice special box, right? And before you say something, yes, it was the same price, almost $90. But day 3 of unboxing Christmas, we have something new from 360 Jeezy. So I seen that they was gonna go on sale with the wood grain, and then he had another one, and I was like, I'm gonna get both of them. But then I realized, no, I'm not gonna get both of them because they $80-something, right? And nothing against the price of what Jeezy charged. I said it in my last review of his other brush. You're a company, you charge what you want. But I had to at least get one. So I got the hard brush, which is the wood grain, right? Hard work, dedication, motivation, and consistency. So, and then of course he got his whole situation on the back. This ain't gonna be a long video at all. It's just a brush, right? You get the Jeezy quote that he used to say a lot more back in the day. But instead of it just sitting in there, it got a little, in this one, it has a little, like a place for it to sit, like a plaque. And it opens up nice and neat to the plaque and then the brush, right? And the other brush was more of a medium brush. And I think the other one he brought out is a soft, and this is a hard, right? And I do like that he made the wood grain the hard brush. That is hard, man. That is nice. 360 Jeezy. Of course, I don't have waves in the least, but this design with this wood grain on it, that is nice. I had to get that. And of course, this is hard. It is a harder one. So for you wavers, it's gonna be sitting in my chair, and you got some, and you've been waving though. You've been like you've been growing it out. You've been woofing some. That's what we're gonna use. Shout out to 360 Jeezy. I did cop the hard brush just because I had to cop it for no reason whatsoever, just to say I got it. Boom. Day 3 of unboxing Christmas. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And then the next one, we might be in a different position. Peace.